Hi everyone, in this video we will show you Delta Executor mobile iOS and Android. First, head into the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General to access additional settings. Then, scroll down again and select Background App Refresh. This feature keeps apps functioning properly even when you're not using them directly. At the top of the screen, tap Background App Refresh once more. From the list of options, choose Wi-Fi and cellular data to allow apps to refresh over both types of connections. Next, go back to the main settings menu and tap Battery. Here, check that low power mode is turned off by switching the toggle. If it's enabled, it might block the setup from running properly. Once that's done, return your home screen and open your browser, Safari, Chrome, or whichever one you use. In the address bar, tap in a tweaked.net and go to the site. Once the page loads, scroll through and find Delta Executor. Tap on it and hit the button that appears underneath to start the installation process. Give it a moment and follow any steps or prompts that show up on your screen. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.